Good evening, students. Today we are going to solve the numerical syllable exercise, and the name of the chapter that is force and pressure. We have solved the numericals in our textbook, means solved examples in the last virtual classes. Today we are going to learn we are going to solve the numericals which has given in your textbook. Very simple. For that numericals you have to remind most three important formulas, and that formula first belongs to pressure, second one belongs to density, and third one that is relative density. Tell me what is the formula of pressure? Okay, I have written here. I write here pressure is equal to force upon area. Okay, very important formula. Pressure P is equal to force upon area. Second that is density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. And third formula is also important for your actual numericals, that is relative density. Relative density, and what is the formula? Density of substance upon density of water. These three formulas are very important for the numericals. इसी चैप्टर में ये जो तीन फॉर्मूले है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है न्यूमेरिकल्स के लिए. फर्स्ट दैट इज pressure, second one density, and third one relative density. Fifth question, complete the following brackets. First I write new brackets. Okay, now m. Fifth question, first m for mass we have given in kg. Second that is volume we have given in liter cube. And third that is density we have given in kilogram per meter. Okay, now initially mass has given 350, volume 175, density is question mark. Second, volume is 190 and density is okay. Now for suppose I write here A, and for A will be given first what is the mass? Mass is equal to given m, and mass is equal to 350 kg. Okay. Second, volume V is equal to 175 liter cube, and we want to find density. For D is equal to question mark. Now what is the formula of density? Density is equal to mass upon volume. Therefore D is equal to mass upon volume. Substitute the values. What is the mass? 350 kilogram upon what is the volume? That is 175 meter cube. 175 1 175 and 175 2 that is 350, means 2 kilogram per meter cube is the density. Okay, देखो the first numerical mass has given 350 kg, volume has given 175 meter cube, and we want to find density. Now density is equal to mass upon volume is the formula we have already written on the left side. At the left side, substitute the values substitute किए 350 kg upon 175, 175 का 175, 175 2 जा 20 किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब, and 175 2 जा 2 आया, and therefore density is equal to 2 kilogram per meter cube. Therefore answer यहाँ पे मैं write करता हूँ. It is the answer 2 किलोग्राम पर मीटर। ओके, नाउ सेकेंड देखो, फॉर सेकेंड और बी, टेल मी व्हाट इज मास इज इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क, वॉल्यूम हैज गिवन हियर, that is 190 meter cube and density for D is equal to 4 kilogram per meter and we want to find mass of that object. Same formula, density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay, substitute density for 4 kilogram upon meter cube is equal to mass as it is, and what is the volume? That is 190 meter cube. Okay, this 190 get multiplied, therefore the mass is equal to 4 kg upon meter cube into 190 meter cube. In the both cases मीटर क्यूब गेट कैंसिल, दोनों केसेस में मीटर क्यूब कैंसिल हो जाएगा। 190 into 4, therefore mass is equal to 760 kilogram. What is the unit of mass? 760 kilogram. Okay, therefore mass is equal to 760 kilogram. देखो सेकेंड फॉर बी, mass has question mark, volume has 190 meter cube and density is equal to 4 kilogram per meter cube. Formula is here, density is equal to mass upon volume, substitute the values, density 4, mass as it is and volume that is 190 meter cube. Multiply both meter cube get cancel, 190 multiplied by 4 we get 760 kilogram because meter cube get cancelled. Okay, now second bracket has given here. Okay, second bracket is related for, I think second bracket is related for density, means second bracket is related for relative density. First we have given density of substance, second density of water, and third relative density. Okay, both have unit kilogram per meter cube, kilogram per meter cube, and relative density has no units. Then we have given density of water 10 cube and relative density equal to 5. For यहाँ पे राइट करता हूँ A and B. For second that is density of substance 8.5 into 10 raised to cube. Then density of water 10 cube and relative density is equal to question mark. Now look here, देखो first is what is the density of substance? Question mark. Density of substance question mark. Density of water is equal to 10 cube kilogram per meter cube and density and relative density that is 5. The relative density has no unit. What is the formula? Relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water. देखो formula, relative density is equal to density of substance ds upon density of water. Now relative density 5, density of substance as it is question mark, and relative density of water is 10. Now 10 to multiply. Therefore, density of substance या फिर यूनिट है किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब. Density of substance is equal to 5 into 10 क्यूब किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब। देखो डेंसिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस है क्वेश्चन मार्क, then density of water is 10 cube kilogram per meter cube, relative density is equal to 5, and we want to find density of substance. What is the formula? Relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water. Substitute the values. Density of substance has question mark, therefore we have written as it is here. Second, density of water has given 10 cube kilogram per meter cube, and relative density has also given, that is 5. Both multiply to each other. What is the relative density of substance? Density of substance is equal to 5 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Therefore यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा 5 into 10 cube. Similarly, second, that is देखो, और for B we have given here what is the density of substance? Density of substance 8.5 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Second, density of water, that is 10 cube kilogram per meter cube, and relative density is equal to question mark. Formula has given you here at the left side of board, that is relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water, means density of substance, that is, what is the density of substance? Density of substance is equal to 8.5 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube upon density of water, that is 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. In both cases, kilogram per meter cube, and 10 cube is also cancelled. Means what's remaining here? That is 8.5, and relative density has no unit. Therefore, what is the answer? 8.5. देखो relative density of substance has given, that is 8.5 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Density of water has given 10 cube, and we want to find relative density. Formula है density, relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water. Substitute the values. Density of substance 8.5 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube upon density of water 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. In both cases, you enter numerator and denominator. 10 cube kilogram per meter cube, 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Cancel, means you get only 8.5. That is relative density. Now, last bracket has given in your textbook, in your exercise, and that last bracket related for pressure. Sorry, that last bracket for weight, area, and pressure. देखो थर्ड ब्रैकेट, okay. First we have given weight, what is the form of unit of weight, Newton. Second, area, unit of area, that is meter square. And third, that is pressure, Newton per meter square. Now we have given, that is first A and B. Weight is question mark, area is equal to 0.04, and pressure is equal to 20,000 per second. Weight is equal to 1500 meter, area is equal to 500, and pressure is equal to question mark. For first, अभी हम सॉल्व करते देखो। ए गिवन वेट इज इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क, सेकेंड एरिया इज इक्वल टू दैट इज 0.04 मीटर स्क्वायर, एंड प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू 20,000 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रेशर? pressure is equal to force upon area, F upon area A. Pressure means force is F. Okay, substitute the values. Pressure, that is 20,000, is equal to force as it is upon area 0.04. Get multiplied. Force is equal to 20,000 into 0.04. Okay, यहाँ पे दो डेसिमल है, we get cancel 2 zeros. Therefore, what remains? 200 into 4 is equal to 800 Newton. यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखो, we have given for A, force is equal to question mark, area is equal to 0.04 meter square, and pressure is equal to 20,000 Newton per meter square. क्या आएगा देखो, प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन एरिया, प्रेशर का फॉर्मूला है 20,000, फोर्स एज इट इज एरिया 0.04. नाउ गेट मल्टीप्लाई, दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 20,000 into 0.04, बोथ गेट कैंसिल. ये दो जीरो डेसिमल रिमूव करना है, वी गेट कैंसिल 2 zeros. देयरफॉर 200 into 4, दैट इज 800 न्यूटन. फॉर सेकेंड न्यूमेरिकल देखो, यहाँ पे 800 न्यूटन फोर्स. सेकेंड फॉर बी, वी हैव गिवन फोर्स और वेट. वेट इज इक्वल टू 1500 न्यूटन. सेकेंड एरिया इज इक्वल टू 500 मीटर स्क्वायर एंड प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? फर्स्ट, दैट इज P is equal to force upon area. Substitute the values. Force for 1500 Newton upon area 500 meter square. 2 0 gets cancelled. 5 on the 5 3 3 Newton per meter square. Okay. Therefore, pressure is equal to 3 Newton per meter square. 3 Newton per meter square. In this way, we have completed the brackets which has given in your exercise. Then also we have given some theoretical sums. First theoretical sum, देखो first theoretical sum I read it first. While solving the theoretical sums, first you should read carefully the sum. पहले सम बहुत केयरफुली रीड करो, उसके बाद वट एवर द थिंग्स यू हैव गिवन देयर यू शुड राइट इट, एंड देन यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला, जो भी कुछ कंडीशंस आपको वहाँ पे मेंशन किया है, दैट कंडीशन मस्ट राइट इन द गिवन, एंड देन बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला, कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर्मूला यूज करना है डिसाइड करो, यूज द फॉर्मूला, सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज एंड फाइंड द करेक्ट आंसर. तो फर्स्ट थ्योरेटिकल सम देखो, द डेंसिटी ऑफ मेटल, density of metal, that is the sixth sum, density of metal. Okay, second, and density of water, density of water H2, and we want to find relative density. Density of metal, that is 10.8 kilogram per meter cube. Density of water, into 10 kilogram per meter cube. Density of water is 10 cube. ध्यान में रखो, डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर मोस्टली 10 किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब होता है, and we want to find relative density. Therefore, by using this formula, relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water. Relative density of substance 10.8 into 10 cube per kilogram per meter cube upon 10 cube kilogram per meter. Kilogram per meter cube get cancelled. 10 cube, 10 cube also cancel. Relative density is equal to 10.8. It has no unit. ध्यान में रखो, relative density को यूनिट नहीं आता. उसके बाद 7th वाला सम. First I read the sum, then देखो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट V is equal to volume of the object, that is 20 centimeter cube. Volume of object 20 centimeter cube, and the mass is equal to 50 gram. Okay, and density of water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. And we want to find if the object will float or sink. देखो वॉल्यूम है ऑब्जेक्ट का 20 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, मास है 50 ग्राम एंड डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर है 1 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. एंड वी वांट टू फाइंड ये जो वॉल्यूम और मास का जो सब्सटेंस है वो वाटर में सिंक होगा, जाएगा या फ्लोट होगा, वो हमें फाइंड करने का है. तो फर्स्ट वी शुड फाइंड द density of substance, mass upon volume. What is the mass? Mass is equal to 50 gram upon volume, that is 20 centimeter cube. 0 0 get cancel, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, means 2.5 gram per centimeter. What is the, देखो compare, density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube and density of that substance is 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. Means density of this substance is greater than the density of the water. देखो जो substance का density greater होता है, that substance greater than what density of water. जिस सब्सटेंस का डेंसिटी वाटर के डेंसिटी से ज़्यादा रहेगा, ग्रेटर रहेगा, दैट विल सिंक एट द इन द वाटर. एंड दो सब्सटेंस है वो डेंसिटी लेस देन डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर, और जिस सब्सटेंस की डेंसिटी वाटर के डेंसिटी से कम रहेगा, दैट सब्सटेंस विल फ्लोट. तो वो सब्सटेंस क्या होगा? फ्लोट होगा. देखो यहाँ पे डेंसिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस इज ग्रेटर than the density of water. Density of water, a substance का density water की density से greater है, therefore it will sink by Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle से compare करो, ध्यान में रखो, जिस substance का density water के density से ज़्यादा रहेगा, it will sink. ध्यान में रखो, और कम रहेगा तो it will float. तो यहाँ पे density क्या है? Substance का density greater than the density of water, therefore it will sink द वाटर. तो वो वाटर पे क्या, सॉरी इट विल सिंक, वो वाटर के बॉटम पे क्या हो जाएगा? सिंक हो जाएगा. ओके, इट विल सिंक. व्हाट इज द आंसर? इट विल सिंक. व्हाई इट विल सिंक? बिकॉज द डेंसिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस इज ग्रेटर देन द डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. सिमिलरली लास्ट सम देखो, अभी 8 वाला सम मैं यहाँ पे लिख करता हूँ. 8th sum. What is 8th sum? The volume of plastic cover seal box is, plastic cover box है, volume of box that is 350 centimeter cube. Okay, and the mass of that box that is 500 gram. Same sum comparing with this, a sum है, इसी sum से compare करो, you will get the answer. Now, will the box float on water or sink in the water, and what will be the mass of the water displaced by the box? देखो, volume of box and mass of box is 500 ग्राम. अभी देखो, density is equal to and density of water देखो डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर कितना रहेगा, देखो डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज 1 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। नाउ डेंसिटी ऑफ बॉक्स is equal to mass upon volume, mass 350 mass 500 upon 350 get cancel, 10 upon 7, 5 in the 50, 5 in the means 7 on the 7, 3 iron 7 for the 28 means 1.4 gram per centimeter. It is also greater than डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर। ये बॉक्स का भी डेंसिटी क्या है, वाटर के डेंसिटी से क्या है, ज्यादा है, ग्रेटर है, देयरफॉर इट विल सिंक एट द वाटर, तो भी वाटर में क्या हो जाएगा, सिंक होगा। नाउ हाउ मच द वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय द बॉक्स, अभी बॉक्स कितना वाटर डिस्प्लेस करेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल। आर्किमिडीज के प्रिंसिपल के अनुसार व्हाटएवर द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस, सब्सटेंस का वॉल्यूम जितना रहता है as per volume the water is displaced by that object, जितना वॉल्यूम रहेगा वाटर का उतना ही वाटर क्या इक्वल मास इक्वल वाटर इज डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय दैट ऑब्जेक्ट, वॉल्यूम जितना होगा रहेगा उतना ही वाटर वो सब्सटेंस क्या करेगा, डिस्प्लेस करेगा। देयरफॉर व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ बॉक्स 350 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, देयरफॉर हाउ मच द वाटर विल बी डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय box, it will be also this 350 gram, sorry, okay, कितना water displace होगा, that is 350 gram water will be displaced by box. In this way we have finished this third chapter. In this way हम third chapter complete किया। Then in the next week we will see the fifth chapter, and that fifth chapter is related with chemistry. अगले वीक में हम फिफ्थ चैप्टर कंप्लीट करेंगे, फिफ्थ चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे और वो फिफ्थ चैप्टर जो है वो केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है। ओके, इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो शेयर इट, लाइक इट, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, प्रेस बेल आइकॉन, दैट्स यू विल गेट द notification of latest videos. Thank you.